This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Trygar. Ready now. New construction by MJ Wyles in Back Bay at Lago Mar. Open floor plan west/2 first floor master suites. Beautiful wide plank hardwood flooring in foyer, kitchen, dining room, breakfast bay, hallway and stairs. Master suite west/dressing table island in large walk-in closet. Luxury master bath west/custom cabinetry, ceramic tile, frameless shower enclosure and soaking tub. Gourmet eat-in kitchen west/custom cabinetry, large center island, stainless steel appliances and much more. For more information, review the details below or contact Trygar at 757-470-1139.